Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bank of England kept interest rates at their record low as policymakers wait to see whether a tumble in inflation is short-lived or turns into a bigger threat for the British economy. Europe's economy is beginning to feel the pain from supply chain disruptions caused by the crisis in the Middle East. Latest data showed businesses had to wait longer for parts to arrive in January, after attacks by Yemen-based Houthi rebels on cargo ships in the Red Sea disrupted freight routes from Asia. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust moved more than 19,000 Bitcoin from its publicly known wallet. Since the spot Bitcoin ETFs opened for business on January the 11th, Grayscale has now moved nearly 113,000 Bitcoin from its wallet, the overwhelming majority of which was to Coinbase Prime in preparation for sale.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. The US durable goods orders at 13:30 GMT. Germany's IFO expectations will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.